What's up, YouTube? Today I have a unboxing and overview of the Wiha collaboration with Xiaomi for this screwdriver set, and we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna compare it to my previous one, which was it has served me very well, but I just decided to get a new one when I stripped one of the Torx heads. So let's get to unboxing it. Now, again, the reason I decided to look for a new screwdriver set was because I took this to some Loctite nut and it stripped it, so I had to get a new one. Very nice packaging. Like always, Xiaomi has very nice designs. You get a box. Inside of the box, you get this very nice aluminum case, and it says here in Chinese, do not take it to live circuits, I would imagine. No for children. And the Newton meter of torque you can put on the bits. So as you can see, you could get this. You could use this as a travel case, and has a very nice finish. Won't get any fingerprints. And this was a Husky, the one I used before, plastic with metal. The Wiha, I know the Wihas like this are all plastic, not with the metal. So this one, the Husky, was, in my opinion, a better choice. So you press the button to open it. You can see there the type of bits you get. And for a more detailed view, let me see. You guys can go ahead and pause this. So you get the driver itself, very lightweight, very precise, smooth. There's no wiggle at all, so it's very, very precisely machined. You can hear this head play. Solid as a rock. I like the shrouded what do you call it, tapered, sorry, tube here for the bits. Although it is proprietary, I don't think they're interchangeable. Too thin. You just see the tolerances on this one are just better. This one, you can tell it's machined. This one, you can tell it's what's that process called? Molded. So this one, you see the tolerances aren't as good as this one, which is machined. Just sharper edges, cleaner. Let's go ahead and get something we can unscrew so I can show you it at work. So what I have here is a Asus notebook or laptop, and this requires Phillips, so it looks to be this one. Some wiggle in there. Let's try this one. Yeah, it's this one. So it's magnetic. Very nice. Extremely nice. You could get a really good feel for you can get real power on there to unscrew and undo your screws. Yeah, it's great tool to have for all you tinkerers. I think this would make a great set. I think they use S2 steel, tool steel. So these are going to be very hard to strip. And I'm sure you can have everything you need in this set here. If you need extras, you might be able to check Wiha's website for additional security screws or whatever you may need. But it's a great case. You can carry it in your backpack. You can do so much with it, and it's compact and sleek. Great. Thanks for watching.